Today we will be demonstrating to you how to install your new Romanesque fountain with circular disc. With your delivery, you will receive the main components to your fountain, which will include the Romanesque fountain bowl, a circular disc, a disc support, as well as a pump and cable gland. Firstly, place your fountain bowl on a firm, flat surface and then feed the electrical cable through the cable gland all the way through until the metal gland reaches the hole. Using an Allen key, tighten the bolts of the cable gland into the hole. Ensure this is sealed as tight as possible to prevent any water seeping through the bottom of the fountain. We recommend testing the flow of water before completing your installation. Pour a small amount of water into the basin and ensure the pump is set to low. Once you are satisfied with the flow of water, place the circular disc support into the bowl. And finally, place the main circular disc over the pump and ensure it sits correctly. Increase the water level of the fountain to ensure that there is enough to allow for a consistent flow and prevent air bubbles as seen in the video. You are now ready to enjoy your brand new Romanesque fountain with circular disc.